Imagine a tiny house community or village in your town. We at Trinity Tiny Homes can. Can you? It's just in the near future, and we can see it from here already. It is now possible, so come with us to see and dream and build the tiny house neighborhoods of tomorrow today. We have a vision of 25, 50, maybe 75 tiny houses over time in a phased step-by-step construction project, planned and not slapped up in a frenzy hurry. We see neighborhood buildings there with each tiny house as cute as a bug and unique as its own individual occupants. They will be desirable homes for vacation second home buyers up from the city, or starter homes for college youths to stay in your town and to make roots there. Our tiny town neighborhoods are planned for citizens to grow their lives and live alternatively lifestyles. And what's wrong with that? That is freedom. Just starting their next step in their personal life journey in smaller, tiny homes. It doesn't look like heartless, soulless mega subdivision of the past. It's not a tacky trailer park or army barracks lined up in rows from our vantage point. We are Canadian designers. It's nice, friendly, and warm, so come out of the cold and join our community building projects. It's about living in a tiny house community like the typical slice of Ontario diverse neighborhoods, which have not just one demographic of senior citizens coldly warehoused in it. If you prefer a tiny village of individuals, couples, downsizers, folks, a handicapped person who needs a little help occasionally, a veteran who defended our country next to vibrant young couples in love who deserve to own their own home and not rent their entire lives in impersonal concrete towers in the city. Trinity views ponds, lakes, forest areas, hills, and gardens, walking and bike trails, and a sense of community and neighbors, and it's just within your reach now. Everybody's home reflects their personality and pride of ownership. People today are more mobile for employment. They wish to lower their carbon footprint. They're embracing modern times minimalism out of choice, not necessity, and enjoying living in your tiny home neighborhood of tomorrow today. In the city, rents for a single-bedroom apartment are outrageously unaffordable, and governments are talking affordable housing, but that may just be cruelly blocked if tiny house communities are not seriously considered in your town by your town officials. It's going to take a team effort and hard work, since nothing is free in life. Investors, cooperative, local municipal government, and bureaucrats, planners, and dreamers in a very cool coalition of artists and craftsmen and jobs and employment. This isn't a fictional Disneyland fantasy. It's modern times here, and now it's just over the horizon, not decades down the road of the past. In your tiny town, freedom and creativity and vibrancy thrives, and anything is possible. If you wish to see this vision too, join us and get more information from www.aruontario.com.